Well, I was going to do a proper video of my computer build, but I'm a bit pissed off because I was walking home and this slipped out of my bag, and look, I've damaged the side of it. Wasn't packaged in a box. I thought it'd be in a box, but it was just sitting loose and it hit the pavement. Anyway, I think it's alright. It'll work, but just, that's the RAM. It's got a bit of RGB on the top. Fury Beast, Kingston. It's quite, it's only $200 for 64 gig, I think. So that's pretty good. DDR4, but I don't have a DDR5 motherboard, so I don't do 3D, so I don't care. That's me drive. It'll be alright. I'll just give it a bit of a wipe. It's probably just burred a bit. I think it's okay. That's my Blu-ray drive. Blu-ray, yep. Marks already on it. Fuck. And this is my case I got. It's called a Pure Base by Be Quiet. Pure Base 600. It's got the two. It's hard to find one with the clear panel. It's got clear glass there. Then the two drive bays for you. I've got a DVD burner and a Blu-ray burner now, so that'll be good. Yeah, I was going to do a full video, but because that broke, I felt a bit pissed off and I just don't feel like doing it. It's going to be hard to get this out. I'll have to just sit this down for a minute. There we go. There you go. Oh, there we go. Broke something else. And there you have it. It's got two silent fans in it, apparently. They're silent. One at the front. I thought it was mesh, but it's got the mesh at the sides, so that's okay. Quite a good little panel on top. It's got the removable cover on top here. How to get that off, but figure it out. Power buttons and USB and all that. Yeah, it looks nice. Not a bad little, it's scratched. Oh, it's got plastic on it, so that's okay. That's the back. Your standard back with the IO plate and all that. I'll take that off soon and give it a whirl. So I don't know if you can see now, it's got quite a few drive bays, the DVDs, and room for quite a big motherboard, probably an ATX, and the fan there. And I think there's a fan there as well, and that's enough for me. You could put two more on top, but I don't do much gaming, so I really don't have much need for it, you know. But that'll be much better in my room, I think, than the other massive bloody thing I've got. It just looks really quite shoddy. This looks nicer. I was going to get the one with the orange down the sides, but I just thought, no, I'll go with this. A bit more, less, doesn't stand out as much. Lower profile, whatever. I think these are fan speeds. Got reset, power, microphone and headphones, and USB 3 on there, so they'll plug into the motherboard and we're all set to go. Just a shame I dropped the bloody thing. I might be able to scrape that little bit of plastic off and just smooth it over with sandpaper or something. Yeah,